Tonight's forecast is sponsored by Ashbrook Audiology, where relationships matter.
Good evening, and thank you for checking out BTW21 weather. I'm Dustin Staples here with your forecast on the hump day Wednesday. Yeah, as you're getting ready to start wrapping up the week, we're going to end the week on another round of winter weather in our area as well. I do want to begin off with two winter alerts for Patrick and Franklin County. This does include parts of Patrick Springs, Stewart, Woolwine, up towards 57, Sontag, Snow Creek, Boones Mill, towards Pinhook, as well as Smith Mountain Lake, Rocky Mountain area. That's a winter weather advisory that goes into effect until 7 a.m. Friday morning. Martinsville, that doesn't mean you're not going to see any snow. That means you just don't meet the criteria for seeing the enough of accumulating snow. We're expecting to see between 1 to 3 inches for these areas shaded in blue here. On top of that, it is going to get extremely cold and windy. So it would not surprise me if the National Weather Service will also issue some wind chill alerts or some wind advisories due to the amount of cold air that's going to be in our area. So once again, this basically means, winter weather is likely. This will start out as a brief shot of some wintry mix, and then it will begin to transition over to some snow showers between the hours of, let's say, 9 p.m. and about 3 a.m. We'll see the opportunity for some wintry weather, most likely sticking to grassy and road surface temperatures. Since our temperatures are slow cold already, they'll begin to slowly stick and probably cause some road issues early as you're making your way out on your Friday morning. So just keep that in mind. We'll keep you updated on any school delays and closings, like a possibility of that is likely to occur. For the rest of tonight, we're not going to expect any wintry weather, but it's going to feel like winter as our temperatures are going to slowly stay in the mid-30s later on this evening with a mix of partly to mostly clear skies overnight. Temperatures again will stay seasonable where they need to be for the time in the month of January. And moving on ahead now to your Thursday forecast. After a bit of a chilly start, we'll see sunshine possible in the day. Then later in the evening hours, that is when we'll see that chance of wintry weather moving in our area. Later on Thursday, we'll see our temperatures start out in the mid-30s, and then we'll want to quickly get up to around 47 degrees, a overnight low of 20. That caution emblem is out there, let you know that the wintry weather is likely to move in later on tomorrow night. Again, we'll see clouds thicken and increasing, as well as since the temperatures are cold enough, as I said a little while ago, it is going to not be in a hurry to cause not to stick fast enough. It'll begin to quickly stick, as I'm trying to say here. I'm trying to get my words right here for you. So if you do have plans maybe to be out late Thursday and early Friday morning hours, again, between the hours of about 7 p.m. to about 3, 4 in the morning, that is when the likelihood we'll see that a chance an increase of wintry weather is about right now is an 80% chance of that. So that's going to be in the Thursday night forecast. I'll talk more about that coming up for you a little bit later on our Thursday edition of the weather forecast too. So once again, just keep in mind that anything that is going to fall, it is going to stick, and it's going to reiterate. We want to reiterate this again. Slick conditions are likely early Friday morning. We're going to most likely going to see some type of closing or delay of some sort of schools or businesses. We're going to keep you posted on that. Right now, power outages should not be a big of an issue right now. Of course, Appalachia Power is quickly, and I mean this, and they're trying their hardest to make sure everybody is restored with electricity, as we have continued to see a lot of these power outages persist thanks to this winter weather that we saw earlier in the week to come. So again, other than that, things are going to remain chilly. It's going to remain winter-like. And if you're a fan of the winter weather, there could possibly be more coming up in the distant future. I'm not going to give more the more I'm talking to you right now. But again, tomorrow morning, you should be fine. Later in the afternoon, go ahead and get what you need done. And then when you wake up Friday morning, temperatures are going to be in the low to mid 20s. Wind chills are going to be somewhere between 15 and 25. And then bitter cold temperatures arrive as we begin the first weekend of 2022. Actually, I should say the second weekend, because we've already had the first weekend already, thanks to the start of the calendar year. Okay, enough of my rambling here for you. Hope you have a wonderful evening. Stay tuned. We're going to have more great local programming coming up right after this.
Your BTW21 weather forecast is sponsored by Zentmeyer Chiropractic.